Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to basically search or basically see the subscribe count on your YouTube, right? And what you're gonna do first, you're gonna just go ahead to your channel and then go ahead to see your channel right here, right? Basically what you're gonna see right here, this is the link for the channel, right? Another thing to do before you do anything now, go ahead to the Social Blade website, and that website allows you to keep track on your YouTube followers, Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram statistics. Go ahead to the official website, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna enter the YouTube username. I'm gonna enter the official website of ours, right? And then basically right here, let me copy from here, and then right mouse, then copy, go to the Social Blade, and then paste the link that you just copied right here, and basically hit enter to see the number of subscribers. And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the number of subscribers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.